Sport and movement. Sport and movement is the mechanical strength that is need for plants and animal which is provided by tissues and organs that are involved in the movement of organism from one place to the other. Human skeleton. So what is skeleton? Skeleton is the framework of the body that are involved in physical movement. The human skeleton is made up of bones and cartilage. Cartilage is the softer type of connective tissue. The mature cartilage cell is called chondrocyte. It is made up of type 2 collagen. Human skeleton initially made up of cartilage and fibrous membranes. No blood circulation in cartilage and cartilage is nourished by lymph. Types of cartilage. Hyaline cartilage. It is most abundant. It is found in ribs, trachea, and larynx. Elastic cartilage. It is found in ear and epiglottis, etc. Fibrous cartilage. It is found in intervertebral disc, tendons, and ligaments. Bone. Bone is the rigid form of connective tissue. It resists compression and bending. Chemical composition of bone. Bone is made up of 65% of inorganic substance and 35% of organic substance. And it is also made up of cell called bone cell. Types of bone cell. Osteoblast. Osteoblast is bone forming cell. It is mononucleated, made up of type 1 collagen and involved in mineralization. Osteocytes. It is also called mature bone cell, involved in calcium maintenance. It is multinucleated and involved in regulation of bone stress. Osteoclast. It is bone dissolving cell involved in bone resorption and made up of large multinucleated cell.